Hello everyone, this is Mohit. This is my third assignment in Big Data for Hive tutorial. I've already downloaded the files, the driver.csv and the timesheet.csv from the GitHub, and then I have downloaded inside the Cloudera VM, and from there I have uploaded this data in the Hive tutorial in the drivers, and now I am loading the loading the data into the temp driver table. So I've already created the temp driver table using the create table command, and then I've loaded the data. So if I'll click on this, small amount of data will capture here. So this is the data and the file is comma separated. After that, I have, if I select the temp driver table and run the query, you will see the data will populate here somewhere. So this is the data as we know. After that, I have created the driver table with the proper integer driver ID, then name, then SSN, location, certified, and the wage plan. So this is my driver table, which is having all the columns. So these are the columns which are available. And for the data, what I did, I extracted the data from the temp driver table, and using the regex pattern, I assigned the values. For the first comma, the driver ID will be uh, getting the values in the driver table. For a row the second comma is the name, and it goes so on. after that if I after that I just run the driver table. Then after the driver table, I did the same thing for the timesheet table. So this is how I created the temporary timesheet table, and I loaded the data which is in the timesheet .csv into the temp timesheet. So we can see the data over here. So this is the column name, and this is the data where the driver ID, week, hours logged, and miles logged are there, and the comma separated file it is. Now similarly I created the permanent timesheet table, and with the driver ID as an integer and rest of the integers, and then I have uh, extracted all the data from temporary timesheet to uh, permanent timesheet table. And if I use this select command to showcase the result, then it will give me the result like this, something like this. So this is how it goes. Now for further analysis, I did one query. The first query is nothing but it actually gives the particular driver IDs and the total number of hours it logged in and the total number of miles it traveled. So if I run this query, we'll get the result for each and every uh, driver ID. So it may take time. You can see that this is taking time because it is a select command. It is not a any particular thing which we are searching for. So it is now it has given the results. So these are the IDs and these are the things. Now in the next query, what we did, we actually calculated the driver name, driver ID, and as well as the total number of hours and miles. So driver name we can get it from the drivers table. So the first query we created this query and treat this as a another table and join it with the driver ID. So once I run this code, this may take time because again the big data is basically used for point queries, and it is not the point query, this is for the full length data, so it may take time. And in the meanwhile we'll see, so it is running as well as these are the tables. So these are the Hive tables, and the syntax we are using in Hive is basically very similar syntax that we are using in SQL. So it will give the result within a fraction of a second. So we can see that. So this is the total miles, total hours, number of date, and this is it for the presentation. Thank you very much.